Yes, let's look at this question number 20 for WAEC Physics 2018. Which of the following electromagnetic waves is most energetic? A. Radio waves, B. X-ray, C. Gamma rays, D. Ultraviolet rays. Now, if you look at the scale for frequency or any other thing, you're going to find out that on one side you have the radio waves, and on the other extreme you have the gamma rays. So in terms of wavelength, this one has the highest wavelength. But in terms of frequency, this one has the highest frequency, gamma ray has, and the one with the highest frequency also has the highest energy. So you can check the properties of the electromagnetic waves in terms of their wavelength, energy, and frequency. So these are the two in the two extremes. So it can either be gamma rays or radio waves. But from what I just showed now, the one with the highest frequency, which is gamma rays, very energetic. It can move. So the answer to this is gamma rays. So you have radio waves. After radio wave, you have what we call microwave. After microwave, then you have other forms of waves like the infrared, the visible light, the ultraviolet, the X-ray, and other ones. So the answer is gamma rays.